On the health front, Tinsong informed that in view of the huge shortage of medical specialists in the state government will impart training to state doctors who want to undergo training for 2 years, and they will also be considered as medical specialists.
Rules 2020 and the Meghalaya Nursing Council Regulations 2020. In fact, the Meghalaya Nursing Council Act 1992 was notified, and till today the rules was not framed, and accordingly today rules and regulations was drafted by the department concerned, health department, and the cabinet is pleased to approve the drafted rule proposed by health department. So next point, again from health department, there was a proposal from health department for creation of a special training to the physician, the MBBS, where it can be called specialist. I think you are all aware, those MBBS who wanted to continue their further studies as PG or as specialists, they can go outside the state, and then their duration of studies is more or less 3 years. So today I'm happy to inform you that Health Department has proposed diploma training course for the MBBS, which is more or less, of course, below the specialist, but of course they will be called also specialists. Those MBBS who wanted to continue in their study for specialization, they can do that. And then today, the proposal submitted by Health Department, it is approved that henceforth those MBBS who wanted to continue their further studies within the state, the government will create and set up a training center which is recognized all over the state. And the duration of this training is for 2 years, not 3 years. It is 2 years term. And after completion of this training, they will be called a specialist. But of course, below the normal specialists, where they need to go outside the state in different medical colleges.